everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to create a braid without actually having to braid. You'll be happy to hear. I've got my lovely model Danina. Let's get going. So first section, guys, I'm just going to take a slice of hair from the top and we're going to pop a little elastic in. And then if you want to, you can just create a little bit of volume there just by teasing up against that elastic. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take two small sections of hair, join them at the back, and right where that elastic's sitting, you're going to place those together and put another elastic in. Depending on how big you want the braid to look, you can just do a tiny bit of pulling or you can do a lot of pulling. So we're just going to pull against that middle elastic there, taking another slice of hair, again where that elastic's sitting, you're just going to place that on top, join them together. We're holding onto that elastic again, going to tease from the centre. It's going to create that braid look, okay? It's almost a bit fishtail. The beauty of doing elastics, which you'll see in a minute, is when we get down to the bottom, the width that we can create is way bigger than if you were just doing an ordinary braid. Plus, you can have little rests as well if your arms start to hurt. Another little top tip, guys, is don't just take from the sides and pull across, because it's going to be really hard to disguise all that bit there. You want to kind of get your fingers and just really, not using too much hair, go all the way to the centre. Then can you see these bits here, which are like the underneath ponies? Grab a little bit of those either side as well, then bring it across, and you can see how much easier that's going to be to disguise what's underneath. So guys, once you get to the nape of the neck, I want you to think about pulling these bits in the centre, but also you can come much wider than that as well. Can you see I'm pulling to the sides? And that's going to give this style a really big braided look. So I think I'm just going to make this my last one, and then I'll probably get the hairspray out and just see about just doing a little bit more teasing and messing. So from the front, we've got it looking just like a normal braid. I've kept it sweeping along the back there. You can pull these sort of more loose if you want to. And then from the back, we've just got this really, really cute looking braid. It's only done with elastics. You can pull that bigger if you want to. Super cute.